We're back with the new Holland L783, and I noticed we had a hydraulic leak on the inside of this tire, and while we're at it, we're going to clean this off. What I believe happened over here is one of the seals for the tire went. We're going to have a little more confirmation of that once we get the tire off and look at it, but twine like this can cause the tire seal to go. Therefore, I wanted to clean this up, and then we'll get over to the other side. So with a little magic editing, this is about to look better. With about 5 minutes of work, we got that off, and what we're trying to protect is right in here where this spins separately from the body. There's some gaskets, and you don't want that gasket to tear. Likely what happened over on that wheel. Now, when I was looking up this video online, I was looking at a slightly different model, and this piece just bolts off and you can do all that. So I'm gonna have to find the service manual for this to confirm how we're going to repair that side. That being said, I am going to go ahead and put this wheel back on, get this side button back up, and pull that wheel off just to confirm where we're leaking from, and then we'll go from there. I'm not positive, but I want to say those tires are fluid filled, because that is the heaviest tire I've ever tried to pick up. But anyways, we got this side back on. Let's hop to the other side and pull it off. So the first thing is the inside of this wheel, absolutely dirty. And this entire thing is dirty. Now, if we look, we have baling twine over here too. So that easily could have been what caused us to lose it. However, when I come up under here and feel, yeah, it's soaked on the bottom of this housing. So I bet it is that piece. Let me go ahead and cut it and clean it, and we'll see what we can look at. What can go wrong when I have a tire off of the skid steer and I have both of the wheels on this side off of the ground, and I want to see exactly what's going on, where the leak is. So I'm going to try to start it and then just spin this side to see where the liquid comes out.